Hello, this is Durant at VeniceForVisitors.com with another in a series of walking directions to hotels in Venice, Italy. Today's destination is the Hotel Papadopoli Venezia. You'll start your walk in the Piazzale Roma, which is the gateway for motorized traffic other than trains arriving in Venice. Right here, straight ahead of us, is the People Mover station in the bottom of a large parking garage. The People Mover is an automated tram that comes from the Maritima cruise terminals and the Tronchetto parking island. And sweeping around here slowly, you'll see more parking garages and buses. Right now, a bus is arriving from Venice Marco Polo Airport. And there's another one parked up here right ahead of us already that goes to Treviso Airport. And here it comes, the airport bus. If you're coming from Marco Polo Airport, you'll probably arrive on that ATVO airport shuttle from the airport. And farther ahead, you'll see trees. And that's where you'll probably be walking if you're going to a hotel in Venice. As you leave the airport bus, cross the street in front of the bus to the tram station. Watch out for buses as you cross. Immediately turn right onto the first platform and walk toward the trees ahead of you. At the end of the platform, cross zebra stripe. Watch out for buses. Walk straight ahead toward the stone bridge. On the right side of the bridge, you can see an accessible ramp. This is great if you have luggage, or obviously if you have a wheelchair or a stroller. Otherwise, just go up the steps. And they're very gentle steps. This is one of the easier bridges to cross in Venice with luggage. And when you reach the top of the bridge, continue down through the brick gates and follow a curving path. For the Hotel Papadopoli, continue toward the next bridge, but don't cross the bridge. Turn left immediately before the bridge. And walk along the canal a very short distance to where you see the big lanterns on the side of the building to the entrance of the Hotel Papadopoli, which is part of Sofitel's McGallery collection. And here we are. For more step-by-step walking directions with maps, go to VeniceHotelDirections.com. For a complete travel guide to Venice, Italy, see VeniceForVisitors.com.